How to change an email on Instagram desktop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change an email on an Instagram desktop. First, launch and open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to the Profile tab at the bottom. Here, tap the three bars icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Next, tap the Account Center option. Then select Personal Details and go to Contact Info. You can manage mobile numbers and email addresses in this section. To add a new one, tap the Add New Contact button at the bottom. After that, enter an email address you'd like to add. Make sure to enter the correct email and choose your account for it. In the next step, add a confirmation code sent to your email. Once added, your email address will be changed and updated on your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.